Leetcode Daily Challenge, question 1984. Minimum difference between highest and the lowest of k-scores. We are asked to find out the minimized difference. So to make it minimize, we want to find out the difference between two numbers as close as possible. So if we can sort this array first, then the adjacent k numbers gonna have the minimum differences. Say for example 1, 4, 7, 9. If we can start from this pair 1, 4, then move on to next one 4, 7, then next one 7, 9. Among all these pairs or substring, we can find out the difference, and among all these difference, the minimum one is the final answer. That's the approach to solve this problem.